Almost 1 year, 36,000 kilometers, daily use, long trips, school runs, sports, activities, and yes, 5 different kids going in and out of this car every single week. One of the most asked questions that I get on my channel is, after all these kilometers and this usage, how is the build quality of my XPeng? Today, this is what we are going to discuss. So welcome back to the channel. My name is Ugu and this is the XPeng G6 Owner's Diaries. This is the XPeng G6 exactly as it is right now. No preparation, no detailing, no special treatment before filming. You can see dust, sand, small marks from daily life and the kind of wear that comes with real usage. Between commuting, road trips, football boots, horse riding gear, backpacks and child seats, this is constantly being tested. This is my car as it is right now. Dirty, with the looks of something that is used every single day. This is the important part. What you are seeing here is normal use, not abuse. When I talk about build quality, after this amount of kilometers, I do focus on some specific areas inside the car. Seat materials and the stitching, door panels and touch points, center console and storage areas, trunk lining and plastics, and of course, inside noises. These are the areas that usually do show a little bit more waste across the time and use of the car. Now you already saw my car as it is right now, without any caution, without any preparation. Now I will just vacuum clean. I will use a couple of products to help clean a little bit the interior of the car, and then I will show you how the car is really after these 36,000 kilometers and also after almost 11 months of use. So guys, I just finalized vacuum cleaning the car and I took out all the components and accessories that I got for the car so that I can clean them. I will show you which accessories I am talking about. So now I just vacuum clean and now I have here some cleaning to do in the interior, because as you can see there are a lot of marks of use. Even on here you can see on the seats lots of dirt, grease, stuff that usually kids put inside the cars. But if you look at the interior, to the carpet, original carpet of the car, it looks really amazing. Still very good condition here. So we just need now to clean the plastics, the seats and all of that. Outside of the car, ready to be cleaned, are the accessories that I mainly use for protecting the original materials inside my car. These are really useful, not only for organization purposes, but also to protect the original materials inside the car. As you can see, a little bit dirty because of normal use, but then it's only these accessories that are dirty and wasted and not the original materials. Let me just show you the original XPeng mats here. This is the driver one, so I still didn't vacuum clean these ones. You see that there is already here some waste where my feet rests when I am using accelerator. So I was planning on buying the rubber ones, and I will do probably that for the summer, because with the sand from the beach and stuff like that, it's much easier to clean. But I gave these ones a good run, so 36,000 kilometers, And I do believe that they still look very cool and very nice. Only the driver one, it's already showing some waste. So guys, I just cleaned the rear part of the car. So again, I am not a detailing guy. I don't work on this type of things, but I think it ended up to be really good. As you can see, the marks, the grease on the seats has gone. There are a couple of still some marks that I may try to remove it, but I don't know. Probably not, because they will in 5 minutes again make it dirt again. So I am expecting that this only takes around 5 minutes, but it's cool to have it clean already. So what can I say about the seats and the quality of them in the car? These ones are used by 5 kids from ages 17 to 6 with a child seat on top without any protection. And I do think that they look almost new after 36,000 kilometers and 11 months of use. Even the back of the driver's seat and the passenger seat, even if there are still some marks here from their feet, I think it's pretty good. Also, the carpet, as I showed you before, looks pretty amazing, and even the central console in the back part of the car. The doors also look good. If you see it, there is no big issues in terms of quality of materials. You can see that everything is in the place. So of course there are still some dirt inside, but it is very good. So I just cleaned the accessories. As you can see, it's very easy. I just use the normal cleaning product from home, okay? So it's just a multi-purpose cleaning component here, and I have cleaned everything, and they are ready now to be inserted back in the car to protect the original materials. And here it is. So finally I just concluded in the front also, so I just missed the mats here, but as you can see, the front seats, so here the passenger seat cleaned, it looks cool. Also the central console with the original stuff, the central screen, the wheel drive, the top of the car, dashboard here, and also the driver's seat. I do think that materials look most like if they were new, so I am really happy with the quality of the materials. So now it's time to insert back all the accessories to continue protecting the car, and the car is ready for my kids. So guys, in terms of conclusion here, so I just clean up my car. You saw that it's not a detailed cleaning, it's just me cleaning, and I am really bad doing this. But you can see that the materials inside the car look okay, so I cannot say that they have any problems. Of course, they do have some marks of use, 36,000 kilometers, 7 people using this car, many of them kids, so 5 kids from age 6 to 17. So it's normal to have a couple of marks already, but I do believe that the car still looks brand new. So I do have to say that the quality of the construction, the quality of the materials is really good. I still believe that it's really necessary to protect some of the materials, mainly in the places where we have more use. So I do have my kids putting a lot of stuff, a lot of food, sometimes drinks that they spill, and on the sides of the doors. So I do like to have that covered. In the central screen, the central console, I do have the organization, but also the protection of the cup holders and the wireless chargers, because we do put a lot of stuff in there. So I do believe that it's really important to have the right accessories just for organization and also to protect the original materials. There are a couple of accessories that I will buy for sure, because if you saw in the beginning of the video, there are many marks of the entry of my kids, mainly my kids, on the entry of the door. So a lot of times they put their feet on those plastics and it will start scratching because there is a lot of dirt. So I will buy a couple of protections for there. I will buy a protections for the pedals, for the driver pedals, because I do believe that they will, with time, also get wasted. So I do prefer to protect them a little bit. And maybe there are a couple of other things that I will buy in the future, like rubber mats. I do believe that they are essential for the summer, especially in the summer because of the sand, the dirt. It's much easier to clean with those types of mats. So basically it's these, guys. Let me know what you feel, what you saw in my video. Again, the idea was not to show you and take the car to a detailed workshop so that the car looks brand new. It was me cleaning the car in a Sunday morning and now showing you how the car looks after 36,000 kilometers and the use of 7 people, most of them kids. So let me know in the comments what you feel. If you have any problem with the construction of your XPeng, if you already own one, let me know in the comments also. So thank you very much again for the time that you spent here with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.